Hello student, let's start to learn standard ninth subject science and technology unit number 1 laws of motion. Today's my first point is uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Second point uniform speed. Third point non-uniform speed. Fourth point acceleration. Fifth point accelerated motion. Sixth point uniform acceleration. Last and seventh point is non-uniform acceleration. Thank you. Uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Amar, Akbar, Anthony are traveling in different cars with a different velocities. The distance covered by them during the different time intervals are given in the table. In this table, time clock, distance covered by Amar in kilometer, distance covered by Akbar in kilometer, distance covered by Anthony in kilometer. At a 5 o'clock, distance covered by Amar 0 kilometer, distance covered by Akbar 0 kilometer, and Anthony covered the distance is 0 kilometer. At 5:30 o'clock, Amar covered the distance 20 kilometer, Akbar covered the distance 18 kilometer, Anthony covered the distance 14 kilometer. At 6 o'clock, Amar covered 40 kilometers, Akbar cover 36 kilometer, Anthony cover 28 kilometer. At 6:30 o'clock, Amar 60, Akbar 42, Anthony 42. At 7 o'clock, Amar 80 kilometer, Akbar 70 kilometer, Anthony 56 kilometer. At 7:30 o'clock, Amar 100 kilometer, Akbar 95 kilometer, and Anthony 70 kilometer. At 8 o'clock, Amar 120 kilometer, Akbar 120 kilometer, and Anthony is 84 kilometer. What is the time intervals between the thing of distance made by Amar, Akbar, and Anthony? Here is the time intervals 30 minutes. Who has covered equal distance in equal time intervals? Amar and Akbar covered equal distance 120 kilometers. Are all distance covered by Akbar in the fixed time intervals the same? No. Akbar does not cover the distance in fixed time intervals the same. Considering the distance covered by Amar, Akbar, Anthony in fixed time intervals, what can you say about their speeds? Amar moves with uniform speed of 40 km per hour and Anthony moves with uniform speed of 28 km per hour. Akbar moves with a non-uniform speed. Definition of uniform speed. If an object covers equal distance in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. If an object covers unequal distance in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Hello student, I take experiment on acceleration. Take 1 meter long plastic tube and cut it lengthwise into two holes. Take one of the channel shaped piece, place one of its end on the ground and hold the other at some height from the ground. Take a small ball and release it from the upper end of the channel. Observe the velocity of the ball as it rolls down along the channel. As the ball rolls down along the channel, its velocity is different at different points. Initially, it is 0. Later, it goes on increasing nearly uniformly. You must have all play on a slide in a park. You know that while sliding down, the velocity is less at the top. It increases in the middle and becomes zero toward the end. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. U is initial velocity and time is t, v is the final velocity. If initial velocity is the u and time is the t, it changes to final velocity v. Then acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So A is equal to v minus u upon time. Definition of accelerated motion: if the velocity of an object changes during a certain time period, then it is said to have a accelerated motion. Definition of uniform acceleration: uniform acceleration, if the velocity changes by equal amounts in equal time intervals, the object is said to be in uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration: if the velocity changes by unequal amount in equal time intervals, the object is said to be non-uniform acceleration. Positive, negative, and zero acceleration. First, learn positive acceleration. When the velocity of an object increases, the acceleration is positive. In this case, the acceleration in the direction of the velocity. Negative acceleration: when the velocity of an object decreases with time, it has a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called deceleration. Its direction is opposite to the direction of the velocity. If the velocity of the object does not changes with time, it has zero acceleration.